Top tips for making the most of meetings. We don't always need formal meetings to help us achieve our goals. Sometimes a quick message or video call will do the trick. But when topics are complex, you may need to plan a meeting. Start adding things to your meeting agenda as soon as they come up, and share your agenda well in advance so that everyone is prepared and knows the aims of the meeting. Plan how long you're going to spend on each topic, and why not use a timer to help you keep to schedule. As you go through your agenda, make sure you gather different perspectives from your team. Identify the next steps for each item and decide who will be responsible for them. By the end of the meeting, you should have a record of action points with timeframes that you can share. Think about how you will monitor progress on tasks. You might need a follow-up meeting too.